Hello guys, in this video we're going to talk about how to set up Google AdSense. So it's pretty simple. So first you will have to create an account with Google first and Google AdSense. So just search it up in your browsers, Google AdSense, and then create the account. So you must visit this HTTPS right here. It's supposed to contain this right here. Get started, sign in with your Google account, and then enter the URL. So enter the URL for your site and where you want the ads to show up. So once you have done that, you will be able to actually choose and customize whether you want help or performance suggestions with your own actual website. So if you don't have a site yet, you must have a site, of course, because this won't work if you don't have one. So select your payment and country or territory basically, because that's going to be important in the future. So you will review the terms and conditions and then start using AdSense. So now you're signed in, and that's what you can do basically. So it's just that simple actually to use AdSense. So now you can actually check it out and navigate your AdSense with the main page with ads, sites, privacy, brand safety, reports, and many much more. So that's how you set up your Google AdSense, and it's just that simple. If this video was helpful, please hit the like button and don't forget to subscribe.